Morning guys. Just gone 7:30. Sunflowers are looking quite good. A cucumber! Yeehaw! Oh my god. The size of that courgette. I'll need to take that off just now. Just it in one hand. There we go guys. One lovely courgette. I must admit guys, I'm feeling quite sore today. Medically, not muscles, although those are extremely painful. What have we got at the minute? 21 or 22. And by God, I could not sleep a wink last night. Too hot and too sticky. If you could peel your skin off, I would have been quite happy. Now I've cut the bottoms of my tomatoes last night at 9:45. Yes, I know, I'm crazy. I don't know if the camera's picking up the size of that. The size of that. Big pepper. And we've got tomato fruit on all of the plants now. And flowers on Steve's Berlotti beans, which are very pretty indeed. About to open. And the French climbing beans have got a yellow flower. Down here, which I thought was excess okra. Excess courgettes are actually gherkins or cucumbers. There is my amaranthus. Oh la la. That's the one that I said was going to turn into a belter, and it really is. Some more mushy peas over there. Another sunflower. Now, I did say yesterday I'm going to have a wee seat at the top of this step before I go and get dressed. Oh! Just enjoy the quiet. And the quietness of the morning. What are you doing, Hannibal? Where are you, Bubba? Hannibal. Hey, hello, kisses. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, no, you're too heavy. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Silly boy. Wait a minute, guy. Look, he's shaking that off the top of my head. That's an awful power. That's waking me up. Now you don't want your legs or arms or anything to be near that when Hannibal's about. Oh, so much for my nice quiet morning. Ecologists coming into a second growth. That is looking lovely up there, I must admit, buddies. Well done. Well done. Yes, very pleased. Right, can Mum sit back down now? Give me 2 minutes, please. Oh. Right, as I said, that's the length of the grass. That's the length the grass was. As I said to you, you couldn't really see the height of it on camera the last time. Well, you can down in this bit, can't you? What a job. What a goddamn job. So that's to be fixed. Hopefully this afternoon. And at the back, as you can see, typical weeded area. Good morning, Pepsi. Good morning, Pepsi. She's all full of sticky willies. That needs weeded. Brassica bed. Most of the raspberries are gone now. A small drop left to come, I think. That's coming out today. I cut that back last night, I don't know why. The amount of rust that gets on them is unbelievable. It's coming out, and we shall be replacing with beautiful dahlias. It's the piles of sunflowers from the other video. And some sunflowers finally coming up here. A lot of weeding, not a lot of time. That flower border is filling out nicely. And we have sunflowers in there as well. Calabrese, purple sprout and broccoli. And I don't know what. And some weeds. But my beetroot is not doing too well at all this year. The beast, which is the horseradish. And there's my potatoes that I was telling you about. Desiree and Sarpomira. I don't know if that's been too much water, the bits at the bottom. I'm not too sure. We are finally starting to get a normal lot of peas on there, although I have sown more. Have a quick look round the front, and I better get dressed. And move your bum, Clarice. We've got a jack of all trades in here. I think we have a fruit, yes, we have a fruit on this one that has been pollinated. Good job. Another one there I think has been pollinated. I like them to cut up and put in the freezer for winter, for soup. Hannibal, look. Hannibal, easy. You cheeky boy. Quite pleased with the raw crate. Filling out quite nicely. As is this bed, although there is more flowers to go in here. Not bulky enough for me yet. And the pond not finished, as you know, but looking alright. More dahlias coming up. All sorts. Quite happy with the way this is filling up this year. I've had a wee look round my own garden first thing this morning, as you will have seen at the beginning of this video. Going to finish the beach off just now and then do Sally's herb garden, and hopefully, fingers crossed, when I get home this afternoon I shall get some things in the garden, some things potted up and potted on. As I said in the previous video, it was just far too hot yesterday to do anything. I did try when I went home yesterday afternoon, but by God, I would have been frazzled. I had to wait until it cooled down, until I'd done some work in the garden yesterday. And it's hotter this morning than it was yesterday morning. But never mind. You cannot complain. It has been a long time coming, guys. I think this is an absolutely fantastic photo opportunity for me, guys. And it's just gone 10 o'clock at night. And we will finish where we started this morning to do it all over again tomorrow.